let's get down to business. Mama, please don't worry about me. I'm about to let my heart speak. My friends keep telling me to leave this. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Back and forth with the bullshit. You know I said before I don't need it. It's been a while since I had your attention. So it might hurt to hit it. We can't leave it if we stay the same. And I can't do this for another day. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. Let's get down to business.
Yeah, please like, subscribe, share, help us out. And once again, thanks so much from us here at the Ludus Combat Club. If you ever want to come down and check us out, you can visit us at www.northeasternprimallife.com and find that information out. I really appreciate you guys. Much love.